Hello guys, welcome to our channel The Blossoms. As you have seen in the title that this video is going to be all about Coursera certifications, how to subscribe paid courses at free of cost. So I am making this video on a mobile. In case if you want me to make it on a PC, please let me know in the comment section. So let's get started. As we all know that Coursera is one of the best website when it comes to online certifications. This is because of its tutors. Coursera has got some of the best tutors in the world, and this is the list of Coursera partners which is also available on their website. This list includes some of the best universities in the world. And because of this, charges of courses on Coursera are on a higher side compared to the other platforms. When you visit a website, you will get to know that there are very few courses, maybe less than 1%, that are free of cost, but others that will ranges from 1000 rupees per month to around 10,000 rupees per month, or maybe more than that. These are some of the screenshots that I have already taken. The charges mentioned on the Coursera are per month per course charges. It means that if the span of the course is of a more than a month, then in that case you will have to pay double the amount. If it is more than 2 months, then thrice the amount. Now let's move on to the subscription part. So primary purpose before going to the subscription is to gain more knowledge about a particular subject. But if it is the sole purpose, then in that case you can go for the audit option. But this audit option neither enable you to take assignments nor certificate, and this is the reason we are looking for the option better than audit mode. This is the list of certificates of the courses that I have completed through the financial aid. Now I will show you how to opt for this financial aid. Now I have decided to complete this course, that is Accounting Data Analytics with Python, by one of the professors from University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Total charges of this course 10,107 rupees. So this is the screenshot from Coursera application, mobile application. Now I will open the same course in the browser. Now I have opened this same course in the browser. This is the same course. So enroll for free. This is talking about 7-day trial period. You should not click on this thing. So now we are going to click on financial aid available just below this tab. Once you click on this tab, the next page that will open is this one. So now you have to click on continue to the application. Once you click on, this page will pop up. This is the terms and condition page with just two simple conditions. First, share accurate information. Another, make a commitment to finish this course. What I think is that these tutors deserve a lot, but they are just asking you to follow these two simple conditions that every one of us can harmlessly follow. So we will do that. Now below that we have to repeat this line. I agree to the terms above, and then click on continue. This is the next page. First four questions are easy to answer. First one, educational background, annual income, employment status, and how much you can afford to pay. Then these are the two questions. I think these are important. So first question, why are you applying for the financial aid? And another one, how will taking this course will help you achieve your career goals? So I have just written my name, then my educational background, and then in the first question I have written I cannot afford to pay this, and in the second question I have written how will this help me, because I have already decided to complete this course. I have an objective, and that is what I have written. But before writing these answers, only few things that you should keep in mind, that number of words should be more than 150, and another one, Be kind with your words. That's it. Below that, two more personal questions about low interest loan for this course. Uh, I think this is just a survey because they have also written that answer of these questions will not affect your financial aid status. That is why you can answer as per your convenience and then click on submit application.